Henry, I just realized what that pretty blueness is.
What's that?
It's the fins bending.
It's the what?
It's the fins bending.
So it's already done for anyway.
Yeah, it's the fins bending. I'm gonna try to fix this Hisense portable air conditioner. So it keeps cutting off randomly, and it has a lot of water. So I'm gonna try to do one of two things. First, we're gonna try to clean it, and if that doesn't seem to work, I'm gonna try to take the sensor out of the tank. Because if I take the sensor out of the tank, then it won't shut off when the tank gets full. Because we always put this up on a little system so that it can drain itself anyway, because that's how much it was draining. It was like drinking buckets. So we're gonna see if we can do that, but hopefully it's just a cleaning issue and it can be 100%. So if you're having a problem, of course the first thing you would do is clean the filters. There's a filter here in this model, filter here, and a filter down here. So a filter down here, and these two in the back, you just pull them out, and then you get the filter. They've been sitting in storage for forever. So now it's starting to get a little bit warm. Let's see if I can get this up and running. There's 3 screws on each side. And then I'm going to try to take out the back and see if they'll come off. They look like they're all the same size, so. Now you can turn it up here. There's about, sorry about dogs, there's about 5 screws in the back, and then I pried the back off with this, just ran down the side, and a little bit of force. Now there's 2 screws right here, and then on the other side, right here, to take off the front. So here's something weird. There's no hose to the water outlet.
Yeah.
I'm looking right here, and there's like, if you can see it, let's see if I can get it. If you look in there, there's no hose. This is the water outlet. There's no hose or nothing. It just collects in the bottom? That's not supposed to be like that. And there's no hose that goes up into here. So, what the heck? I ain't trying to mess up here. Don't mess up here. That's where the Freon is. I ain't messing with it. Trying to see if I'm mistaken or something. But I don't see anything. But there is like a collection of whatever that is down there. So I'll probably clean that out. Other than that, I really don't see where the water would hover. Maybe there's water in it, maybe. Nope. But there's a belt to run the fan and everything down there. So that can't be where the water's coming from, you know? So where's the water supposed to come from? Unless it just slides off of here and down to there. And then goes out that way. Maria, I just realized what that pretty blueness is.
What's that?
It's the fins bending.
It's the what?
It's the fins bending.
So it's already done for anyway.
Yeah, it's the fins bending.
Yeah, that's gonna be fucked up.
Well,
yeah.
I got to the arts in the best way.
Fucked up, see, but
She had a brush and brushed it up.
no, I'm trying to get that stuff out of the outlet, and then I guess we'll test it and see what happens.
You should still clean those other. All right, good.
Okay, so we're trying to get this dirt out of here. Okay, I got something here. I want to do this. That they get dirty a lot anyway. This is not been outside either. Like, I don't even know what that is. Alright, so all that's out of there. I don't smell nothing funny.
You gotta go underneath your back and then make sure you get everything out of there.
The only thing that I was supposed to clean off was the fence. I ain't back cleaning that no more. Put it back together. Just. You have to keep recording it. It's fun. This is what I'm talking about as far as my setup goes. Now, usually this is in my room, but I have a crate on it, and then I have a bucket down here. So then the water, when it fills up, it just goes in here. Now, I usually have a towel or something under it, but right now I'm just testing it. So I'm gonna let it run for a while and see what happens. Okay, it's been running for 25 minutes, and nothing is wet. Let's tilt it, see if anything will pour in there. We did get some water. Well, the drain's working better, but it's still collecting a lot of water, which could be just the condensation in our house. That was a lot of work for that little bit of time. We had it at, so the temperatures were different. Somebody pressed the button and turned it up, so I had to turn it back down, which is why it went up. But I will say that it's not cooling as it was before, so definitely not as efficient, but the exhaust is off, so that could be a thing. It's probably like circling back, just spitting out hot air, and then sucking in the hot air and spitting out the same hot air. So that might be what's going on. But it's a little bit better, whereas it's not leaking every 10 seconds. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Have a great life. All right, bye.